You are out on a long highway stretch and you go to click that button to increase the distance between you and the car in front, but nothing happens. It is frustrating, right? This is exactly what happens when your car throws a P056A code, which points to a malfunction in the increased distance signal of your adaptive cruise control system, or ICCI. Now, while this might not leave you stranded on the side of the road, it definitely takes the convenience out of your drive. Most of the time, the issue lies within the multi-function switch or those buttons right on your steering wheel. Think about all the times you have had a coffee or a soda in the car. A tiny spill can get inside those switches and make the buttons sticky or completely dead. The first thing you should do is feel the buttons themselves to see if they are moving freely. If they feel crunchy or stuck, you might have found your culprit. This code is set when the engine control module, the ISIM, detects that the signal coming from that specific button is not what it should be. Since these systems are pretty intricate, you will want to check if your cruise control light even comes on when you hit the main power. If it does not, go straight to the fuse box and check for any blown fuses. Another thing people often overlook is the anti-lock brake system, or ABS. Since the cruise control relies on wheel speed sensors to know how fast you are going, a glitch in the ABS can actually trip up the cruise control system too. If you are going to dig deeper, you will likely need to remove the steering column shroud or even the airbag module to get to the wiring harness. Just a heads up, always be careful around airbags and make sure you have the right service manual for your specific make and model before you start pulling things apart. You will want to use your DIVSIOM to check for continuity in the wires between the switch and the module. If the wiring is fine and the switch is clean, then you might be looking at a more complex issue with the body control module or the ISIM itself. But those cases are much more rare than a simple broken wire or a gunked up switch assembly.